How you doing? Justin Dennis here with Cerebral Alum. Getting ready to do another DIY project. Learn as you go. Something needs to get done. Don't know how to do it. You can either pay somebody to do it or you can research and do it yourself. That's what I'm gonna do.
Not too late to chase the sun. Just you wait.
So I got a outlet here that's not working, so I'm gonna replace it. First thing I did is double check, extra check. I got a little tester here, make sure to see if I'm hot. I got another as well, and I got some other tools here. So watch me as I change out this outlet, which I've never done before. I've triple checked that the power is off. Let's get it. All right, I've got a protective cover here. So I'll start by taking that off. It's just held on by two Phillips heads. Oh, yo, so check this out. This is cool. So the new outlet here, you can see, they have it, I don't know if you can see that, black screws for my black wires. Hey, black on black, love it. And silver screws for my silver wires. And then we got old money green up here for my old ground green, baby. Yes, sir. But that's cool that it came preset that way. Makes it kind of hard to mess up. I'll take this ground out of the last. My ground is under here. I'm gonna turn you off for just a second, if you don't mind. Up. Too far. And not too far. And my outlet's ruined. Okay, I got it back in there, but I gotta get my ground wire. Where's it go? Let's see, where does it go? Yo, time for the moment of truth. Got the power back on. You can see my ceiling fans up. It's blowing. Hey, we hot. So, let's see if I wired this thing correctly. If I electrocute and blow up like Home Alone, call 911. This is pre-recorded, so y'all ain't gonna be able to call. I'm just gonna be sitting out here rotisserie. Let's test this thing out. So I got my tester here. Let's see. Woo! Can y'all see that? Can you see that? See that green? We in there, baby. We in there. Hey, Spoon. We in there, baby. We in there. Yeah. All right, final steps, just putting on my protective cover here and locking it in tight. So I got it lined up already. Let's go ahead and secure it down. So again, we should get some greens. It lets us know it's correct. See that? 2 greens, 2 green lights mean we got everything wired correctly. Boop, boop. You see that? Check the other one. Boop, boop. No reds. We in business, baby. We in business, baby. Nice little electricity. Nice little connection job. Nice little outlet replacement. Yes, sir. Finished product. Can you see that? Get my hand out of the way. Nice little setup. Yes, sir. All right, I put my tester in there, but now we'll start with something real here. So I got my watch. And it's charging. Outlet's good, wired correctly. My tester told me it's wired correctly. I got power, I got juice the right way. We're good to go. This job's done, baby. Yes, sir. Cerebral alarm. Cerebral alarm. All right, moment of truth. So I replaced my outlet because my outdoor TV was no longer working. I found out they were connected. So if that outlet is out, this one wasn't gonna work. It has my TV and my network out here on my balcony. So let's put it to the test. Let's check it out. If you can see that. I hit my power button. Ooh, there it is. We on, baby. We on. Yes, sir.